Hi everyone, I'm Karuna. Welcome to day 1 of our Snore-Free Series. Most snoring starts because we've lost the habit of breathing purely through our nose. Today, we are clearing the pipes with Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. This balances your airflow and ensures your nasal passages are wide open before you hit the pillow. So, we're going to start with right thumb on your right nostril and your ring finger on your left nostril. We're going to inhale from our left, close, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale left, 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 exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. One last time. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left, and release. So today we did 11 rounds of Nadi Shodhana. You can definitely do more or you can do less also. Just feel that as if your nostrils are getting cleaned up with this alternate nostril breathing. Maybe close your eyes and see how do you feel in your... Do this for 2 minutes before bed. You'll be surprised how much quieter your night becomes. Make sure to follow my channel so you don't miss day 2, where we tackle throat muscle tone. Thank you.